Basic steps to help you better understand gold. Gold is hugely popular because the economy began to tank. Nowadays, you see many people trade in gold to make certain that portfolio is kept afloat, but everyone seems to be undecided about how to correctly buy in this particular market. The piece below will help any investors gain top values for gold. Be well informed about the need for precious metals before selling or buying gold. The values of precious metals fluctuate daily, so be sure you know the spot price before any transaction. You additionally need to pay over melt value, but you will sell below melt value. Look for a gold buyer which has a good reputation. You can read reviews online, talk with the Better Business Bureau and see how each dealer resolves customer complaints. You have a better chance of getting the highest possible price for your gold when you obtain bids from many different gold buyers. When you are buying gold as a kind of a retirement fund, make sure you purchase the right kind. Your gold should be IRS approved. They have to be 24-karat coins or bullion bars. Over time, gold bars appreciate much better than gold coins. Be sure you select carefully when it comes to taking your gold into a pawn shop or jeweler available for sale. The spot price for gold is determined by a constantly fluctuating market, so not all the store will probably pay it. The stores located outside of shopping malls along with other similar places don't have all the overhead, so that they could possibly pay more. Determine what return shipping costs if you don't, such as the provide the mail order gold buyers are willing to give you. A lot of buyers offer shipping and delivery and definitely will charge you plenty to send out the piece back. Be certain you realize just what those fees will likely be. Sell only to gold buyers who are licensed. You could still have a problem, but licensed buyers are more likely reputable. Remember which you have hundreds of options available, so tend not to be pressured into doing business with the initial company to help make a deal. Think about gold money and other such services when you need to get gold. It is actually a lot like starting a gold banking account. All you have to do is create a merchant account and fund it. You happen to be assigned the equivalent amount of gold as the value of the account. The gold resides in a bank. Following that, you can sell it or do numerous other stuff by using it. Understand what you actually have within your possession. Not everything is worth your opinion it's worth. Usually, there are many metals blended with gold for stability. These metals is effective in reducing the need for gold. So, too, can items that are merely gold-plated. Have your pieces appraised before sale to find out their value. Have your pieces appraised before you decide to sell them as scrap gold. You want to do this for special pieces. Unique pieces might be worth more intact compared to they would if eventually melted down. Even though the appraisal can cost you money, you might get more for the jewelry in exchange. Additionally, appraisers may know those who may be curious about your jewelry. Gold should be separated by carat weight before sale. Some vendors may attempt to weigh all of your current items at some point and pay you from the lowest carat. That will lead to a cheaper payout to suit your needs. How around this really is to offer the gold for the buyer pre-separated so that you will get fair market value for every piece. If there are any forms involved in your gold dealing, be sure to read them word for word. Gold is a huge business which enables a ton of money. You should be aware any form you're attaching your signature to. Should you not agree with the expression, check out another dealer. It's smart to take into consideration yourself by doing this. When you go to purchase gold, know who you really are working with. Call the BBB or visit their online website to get assistance in locating a professional gold dealer. Doing this can help you find any complaints lodged up against the dealer. If you discover complaints, think of going elsewhere for your transaction. Understanding how to look for the grade of gold is essential in order to purchase gold pieces. Gold's purity is identified in carats. The larger these are, the better expensive and pure it is actually per each ounce. Don't just depend on the carat stamp. When you can test the purity, you are going to never overpay. A good way to obtain a good price on gold is always to ask your relatives for broken jewelry. Purchase a correct scale that will weigh the jewelry so you probably know how much to offer your relatives yet still produce a benefit from the offer. Should you wish to sell gold online, look into the prices a couple times prior to starting. Frequently, you can get better values using a local trader than with a retail location. Sending your gold in by mail could be much easier, but you're planning to wind up losing money. Keep in mind you may not receive top dollar for the gold. Dealers need to make money like other businesses. Try for the best deal you are able to while still making the retail price alluring to the buyer. Expect offers within the 50% to 70% selection of your total value. Sell your gold coins when the buying price of gold is high. The current market is obviously changing. However, should you understand how it operates, then you can definitely make your market work effectively to suit your needs. Watch stock market trading climb and after that sell the gold coins in the upswing. Following the financial problems of 2008, gold has become just about the most popular investments out there. With all the right information accessible, it really is feasible for individuals of all the economic strata to work with gold as a good safe harbor with regard to their financial resources. Hopefully, the above article gave you advice.
GVMG, Global Viral Marketing Group. Thank you for watching to the end. One-time secret offer. Free web marketing tools giveaway and more. For more details, please click the URL below.